Somebody's very happy today. This has arrived. It's actually my wife. Our vacuum cleaner gave up, so we need to buy one. So this is a Fujihama 12-liter vacuum cleaner. It's a 3-in-1. 3 means it can suck water or wet, not really water, or it's just their water. Dry, of course, and it can also be as a blower. There it is again. Let's open it. Yeah. So that's our inside. You have the accessories for the floor cleaning. You have the main hose right there, and you have the extension. You have how many? 3. Yeah, they're all extensions. And what else? This should be another nozzle. I was looking for another nozzle, but there's none, so it's only this 4 here. Anyway, I have another one there for my old vacuum cleaners. Alright, so it's really cute. It's really cute, yeah. It's quite powerful. They're 1200 watts, so almost 2 horsepower. And I believe there should be something inside. Let's open it up. Okay, so this is what's inside. So the motor and the fan is inside there, and this is the filter. Oh, was right. Yeah, you have a couple of nozzles here. Okay, I can use this for cleaning carpets and stuff. And you have another one. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Okay, and you have the wheels. You have 4 of them, and the user manual. It's kind of cute. So it's like what do you call that? A mini bucket. Yeah, it's very small. It's cute. So what I'm gonna do is I'll attach a cyclone dust separator, so that this doesn't get overload, and also it's easy to clean it. I don't know how they use this as a, for wet application. Yeah. Anyway, that's what they said. So I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, from the way it looks good. So let me have a quick try. All right, let's give it a go. Not too bad. Yeah, tiny little cute vacuum cleaner. So yeah, it's great value for money, guys. So I got this for 2,000 pesos. So it's about how much? $40, and plus shipping fees, so about $2,200 pesos. So that translates to 44 US dollars. So not too bad for a vacuum cleaner. It's small, but what's important really is the motor. Yeah, and this is really what I want, because I will connect a cyclone dust separator, which I'll put on top of a pail. Yeah, so hope this has been helpful. Thank you guys for watching. I have already bought a couple of stuff, so not done really a thorough review of them, so maybe I'll do some of those in the coming weeks or months. Thank you, bye bye.